Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about excretory products and their elimination from chapter 19 CBSE syllabus class 11. Let us discuss ultrafiltration. The first step in urine formation is the filtration of blood, which is carried out by the glomerulus, and it is called glomerular filtration. On an average, 1100 to 1200 ml of blood is filtered by the kidneys per minute, which constitute roughly 1/5 of the blood pumped out by each ventricle of the heart in a minute. The glomerular capillary blood pressure causes filtration of blood through three layers, that is, the endothelium of glomerular blood vessels, the epithelium of Bowman's capsule, and a basement membrane between these two layers. Blood is filtered so finely through these membranes that almost all the constituents of the plasma except the proteins pass on to the lumen of the Bowman's capsule. Therefore, it is considered as a process of ultrafiltration. The plasma fluid that filters out of the glomerulus capillaries into the Bowman's capsule of nephrons, and it is called glomerular filtrate. It is a non-colloidal part of possesses urea, water, glucose, amino acids, vitamins, fatty acids, uric acid, creatinine, toxins, salts, etc. RBC, WBC, platelets, and plasma proteins are the colloidal part of the blood and do not get filtered out from glomerulus. Glomerulus filtrate is isotonic to blood plasma. Children, let us discuss about what is EFP. EFP means effective filter pressure, or we can also call net filter pressure. This net filter pressure is glomerular blood hydrostatic pressure minus the colloidal osmotic pressure of blood and capsular hydrostatic pressure. Children, now let us see what is glomerular blood hydrostatic pressure, which is also called GBHP. GBHP is the force that a fluid under pressure excretes against the walls of its container. Now let us say what is blood colloidal osmotic pressure, which is also called BCOP. BCOP is the osmotic pressure created in the blood of glomerular capillaries due to plasma proteins, albumin, globulin, and fibrin. It resists the filtration of fluid from the capillaries. Now children, let us discuss what is capsular hydrostatic pressure. CHP is the pressure caused by fluid that reaches into Bowman's capsule and resists filtration. The amount of filtration formed by the kidneys per minute is called glomerular filtration rate, GFR. There is a sexual difference. In male, the rate is about 120 to 125 milliliters per minute, that is 180 liters per day, and in females that is 110 milliliters per minute. GFR is affected by volume of circulating blood, neural activity, stretch response to pressure of the walls of the arteriole. 180 liters of filtrate is performed per day. Out of it, only 1.5 liters of urine is produced per day, which is 0.8% of the total filtrate. About 1250 milliliters of blood circulates through kidneys each minute, and of this blood about 670 milliliters is the plasma. The later it is called renal plasma, RPF. The renal plasma ratio is as below. Filtration fraction is equal to GFR, which is also called glomerular filtration rate, by renal plasma flow is equal to 120 by 670, that is equal to 0.17. The kidneys have built-in mechanism for the regulation of glomerular filtration rate. One such efficient mechanism is carried out by the glomerular apparatus JGA. JGA is a special sensitivity region formed by cellular modification in the distal convoluted tubule and the afferent arteriole at the location of their contact. A fall in GFR can activate the JC cells to release renin, which can stimulate the glomerular blood flow and thereby GFR back to the normal.